In this video I'll show you how to set up the Ticket Tool bot in Discord. Invite the bot. Open your browser and go to tickettool.xyz. Click Invite Ticket Tool and authorize it to join your server. Adjust bot roles. In Discord, click your server name, top left, and select Server Settings Roles. Drag the Ticket Tool role above your member role so it has the right permissions. It can sit below owner or moderator roles. Create a support staff role. Still in roles, click Create Role. Name it Support and assign it to the members who will handle tickets. Create support channels. Close Settings, right-click in your channel list and select Create Category. Name the category Support. Inside it, create a text channel, name it something like Support or Open Ticket. Connect Ticket Tool to your server. Go back to tickettool.xyz in your browser. Click Manage Servers and log in with Discord. Select your server to start configuring ticket settings, permissions, and the toolbar. That's it. You now have a support system with Ticket Tool ready to handle user requests. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Discord guides.